This machine rotates a disc to move parts with precision and efficiency. The machine fills the sachets automatically, then it seals them with precision and efficiency. The eggs move down automatically on the conveyor. The operator quickly collects them and places them in the basket. This machine moves over fresh concrete to smooth the surface. It ensures a perfectly flat and uniform finish. This irrigation system works automatically. It waters crops with precision and efficiency. It ensures healthy and optimal growth. This machine sands the surface with precision. It ensures a smooth and professional finish. Watch how this machine shapes metal with precision. It creates a smooth and perfectly controlled finish. Watch how this machine cleans the surface with power. It removes dirt quickly and efficiently. Watch how the professional extracts the honeycombs with precision. He handles the hive with calm and expertise. Every movement is controlled to collect the honey safely. Watch how this professional demolishes the wall with power. Each strike is precise and effective. The concrete breaks quickly under the force of the tool. Watch this machine shape metal with incredible precision, an impressive display of power and perfection. Watch this machine sew patterns with perfect precision. Every detail is crafted with a professional finish. Watch how the metal is shaped with precision. Each strike creates a perfect and professional form. Watch the incredible power of this laser in action. It cuts metal with extreme precision. Every detail is engraved with impressive perfection. A modern technology transforming metal before your eyes. Watch how this machine welds metal with precision. Each weld is clean, strong, and professional. This machine cleans and packages vegetables automatically. A fast, clean, and professional process. This machine shapes the wood with remarkable precision. It creates clean and detailed patterns automatically. The surface becomes perfectly smooth with a professional finish. It is a motorcycle equipped with a container to transport materials. It allows stones to be moved easily and quickly, a simple, practical, and efficient solution for construction. Watch this shredder crushing a motorcycle. The blades tear the metal with impressive power, a fast and fascinating process to watch. Watch how this machine shapes wood with precision. It creates a perfect shape with a smooth finish. A fast, clean, and professional process. This machine smooths and levels the concrete automatically. It makes the surface flat, clean, and professional. This machine machines the metal with extreme precision to create a perfect circular shape. It cuts and polishes the surface to achieve a smooth and uniform finish. The result is a strong, clean part, ready for industrial use. This truck uses a hydraulic support system to lift and stabilize the trailer. The leg lowers automatically to keep balance and make loading or unloading easier. This mechanism ensures greater safety, stability, and efficiency during operations. This machine cuts circular shapes with precision. The result is clean and professional. This worker makes bricks with precision from clay. Each brick is perfectly shaped and ready for construction. This machine sorts the clay with precision. The fine clay is separated and ready for production. This tool cuts the rusted metal with precision. It restores the piece for a clean finish. This machine stacks the bags with precision and speed. It prepares the loads for safe and efficient transport. This machine fills the jar with precision and speed. The liquid flows perfectly, ready for packaging. This machine climbs obstacles with power and precision. It carries heavy loads effortlessly thanks to its powerful motor. This machine automatically packs fruits with speed and precision. Each fruit is protected and perfectly prepared for transport. This machine uses a fast tool to cut the metal. It removes thin layers to create a precise shape. This tool engraves precise lines on the metal as it rotates. It creates a textured and perfect surface for industrial use. This truck lifts the barrier automatically. It passes without touching thanks to the system. This special tool is used to disassemble and reassemble a metal chain with precision. It pushes or removes the small pin that connects the links without damaging the chain. This allows the chain to be repaired, adjusted, or reconnected quickly and easily. This person cuts the glass with a special tool. They create precise shapes ready to be used. This machine cuts and collects plants automatically. It works fast to make harvesting easier. This person paints shoes with precision. They add colors to create a unique design. These workers use jacks to lift the building. They adjust the height with precision and safety. This allows them to repair or strengthen the structure. This machine automatically fills bags with a product. It measures the exact amount and seals the bag quickly. This makes packaging fast, clean, and efficient. This machine mixes cement, sand, stones, and water. The excavator pours the materials into the large mixer. The mixture spins quickly to create uniform concrete. This concrete is then used to build strong roads and buildings.